What is the biggest animal in the world? It is worth noting that the largest living animals in the world today aren't land animals, because on land they must struggle against the forces of gravity to survive, effectively limiting their size. The creatures of the oceans can grow much larger, because the buoyancy of the water offers relief from gravity's effects, allowing them the freedom to grow to gigantic proportions. The largest animal ever lives in the sea. All species have the largest member. In today's video, we share to you about each of the largest animals in the world. So, before getting the video, let me ask you to like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to watch our all videos at first. Support us to make more interesting videos only for you. Sea creature, blue whale. The biggest animal in the world is the adult blue whale. These animals are bigger than any dinosaur that's ever lived, and they are far bigger than the largest living land animal on the planet today. Blue whales can grow up to 105 feet long, 32 meters. That's more than twice as long as a semi-trailer rolling along the highway. An adult blue whale weighs as much as 15 school buses. In general, blue whale populations migrate between their summer feeding areas near the poles and their winter breeding grounds near the tropics. There is also evidence of year-round residencies and partial or age/sex-based migration. Blue whales are filter feeders. Their diet consists almost exclusively of krill. They are generally solitary or gather in small groups, and have no well-defined social structure other than mother-calf bonds. The fundamental frequency for blue whale vocalizations ranges from 8 to 25 Hz, and the production of vocalizations may vary by region, season, behavior, and time of day. Orcas are their only natural predators. The largest bird, ostrich. We've answered the question, what is the biggest animal in the world? Now it's time to take a look at the largest creature of the feathered variety. The largest bird on Earth is the ostrich. Too big and heavy to fly, this bird is capable of running at speeds of up to 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour, over long distances. Males can be over 9 feet tall, 2.8 m, and weigh up to 346 pounds, 156.8 kilograms, as much as 2 people. Females are usually smaller and rarely grow over 6 foot 7 inches, 2 meters, in height. The largest reptile, saltwater crocodile. The largest reptile in the world is the saltwater crocodile, with males reaching lengths of as much as 20 feet, 6.1 meters, and weighing in at 2,370 pounds, 1,075 kilograms, or about twice the weight of a grizzly bear. Females are far smaller and rarely grow over 9.8 feet long, 3 m, known by many names including the estuarine crocodile, the marine crocodile, and the sea crocodile. This predator is capable of defeating other apex predators including sharks and even tigers. A powerful swimmer, the reptile has been spotted braving the waves far from the shore. It is relatively long-lived and has a lifespan of 70 years. The largest amphibian, Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander lives its entire life underwater, yet has no gills. Instead, it absorbs oxygen through its skin. This odd-looking creature gets quite large, up to 5 feet 9 inches, 180 centimeters, and weighs in at 110 pounds, 70 kilograms, about the size of many adult humans. At breeding time, the females lay up to 500 eggs and the males act as caretakers until the young hatch. The largest rodent, capybara. The capybara looks a lot like a giant guinea pig, but instead of fitting into your hand, this huge rodent stands 2 feet tall, 0.61 m, at the shoulders and is an impressive 4.6 feet, 1.4 meters long, twice as big as an adult beaver. The capybara can weigh up to 143 pounds, 65 kilograms. They live in herds of up to about 40 animals, and males and females are roughly the same sizes. These big animals resemble and act like other rodents. They are also great swimmers and are even capable of taking a nap in the water. They're really agile in the water as well as on land. They have unique vocal sounds and get along well with other animals. These friendly vegetarians eat mostly grass and other plants much like cows. The largest snake, giant anaconda. In terms of mass, the largest snake in the world is the giant anaconda. This huge animal has been known to weigh as much as 550 pounds, 250 kilograms, and some of these big animals have been measured up to 30 feet, 9.1 meters long. That's longer than a London double-decker bus. They can be up to 3 feet around the middle, giving them plenty of room to swallow all kinds of prey, including mammals as large as deer, fish, alligators, birds, and anything else they can catch. The largest lizard, Komodo dragon. The largest lizard on Earth is the Komodo dragon. This dangerous animal grows up to 10 feet, 3 meters long and typically weighs about 200 pounds, 91 kilograms. The females tend to be smaller than the males and usually get no longer than 6 feet, 1.8 meters long, about the same size as an average man. These lizards hunt large prey such as water buffalo, pigs, and deer, and have even been known to hunt people. The largest arthropod, Japanese spider crab. The arthropod family includes lobsters and crabs, spiders, scorpions, insects, and other creatures having jointed exoskeletons. The largest arthropod on record is the Japanese spider crab. One was caught in 1921 that measured a record-breaking 12 feet, 3.8 meters across and weighed 42 pounds, 19 kilograms. That's almost the same length as a Volkswagen Beetle car. The largest insect, Titan beetle. Titan beetles are sometimes mistaken for a form of a cockroach, but these huge South American insects are a separate species. They grow up to 6.5 inches, 16.7 centimeters long and weigh 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. They have strong mandibles that can snap a pencil and sharp claws they use for defensive purposes. Nobody knows what their larvae look like, as these have never been seen. The largest four-legs animal, elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. 3 living species are currently recognized: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. They are the only surviving members of the family Elephantidae and the order Proboscidea. Extinct relatives include mammoths and mastodons. Distinctive features of elephants include a long proboscis called a trunk, tusks, large ear flaps, pillar-like legs, and tough but sensitive gray skin. The trunk is prehensile, bringing food and water to the mouth, and grasping objects. Tusks, which are derived from the incisor teeth, serve both as weapons and as tools for moving objects and digging. The large ear flaps assist in maintaining a constant body temperature as well as in communication. African elephants have larger ears and concave backs, whereas Asian elephants have smaller ears and convex or level backs. That's all for today. See you in another video. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, then please like the video and share it with your friends and social media. Never forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon next to it. Share the video if we earn it. Thanks for watching.